Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So in today's video I will be telling you about investing and building a passive income stream with dividend and investing. So if an extra source of income can enhance your financial well-being and elevate your lifestyle, exploring dividend and investing to build a passive income stream is worth considering. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing additional income flowing into your bank account on a regular basis alongside with your salary, business profits. Picture investing as stock will not offer the capital appreciation over time, but also generate consistent income with a demand much effort. Sound too good to be true. It's not. So further on, I will be telling you about the dividend and investing is that which are being passive income are the four type of the four best dividend and say and understanding dividend at stocks. Quality dividend and stock are normally found in the companies that are being established. Not all stocks pay dividend. Dividend yield stocks usually pay their stockholder in cash, but dividend can also be paid in the form of stock. I will be focused on cash dividend in this article. There are always risks when investing in dividend stock. Even the most established company can experience downturn. Cut it dividend and quit paying them all about the dividend stocks. So company is then experiencing downturn. The dividend or quit paying job about the investor should also aware about the any company showing especially high dividend yield ratio with the examining closely. This could be because of the company stock are dropping in value, making of the dividend ratio that normal. That might be indicate an undervalued stock, but could be a sign of increasing to the underlying business that could be ultimately be put into a regular leveraging a dividend stock for passive income. Dividend stock create a passive income by paying out the regular scheduled dividend. US stock typically pay quarterly. If you are not having individual stock, you can be considering investing when creating an investment portfolio play a passive income. It is especially important to look at the payout ratio profit margin to the company you are considering investing. A payout ratio close to the especially 100% in a red flag. These companies used to profit of the stakeholder borrowing the company pay dividend, and this is unsustainable. Even the dividend is being yield high, not worth to risk a payment option. Company with too high dividend or too low margin are the greater risk of cutting depositing their dividend. Benefit of passive income. There are many benefits of passive income. The best benefit income about the Polaris industry market cap stock price revenue EPS gross profit margin payout ratio price to sale ratio. Company overview why Polaris is top of pick. Hormel Foods industry packaged food customer defensive market cap stock price revenue EPS dividend yield payout ratio price ratio. Company overview why Hormel a top pick. Old Republic International industry insurance EPS integrated freight EPS why Robinson is a top pick. Methodology used passive income tax consideration. Bottom line down next Rob is bids. Today the financial market had no perfect shock about the high reward. The four stock are different market company with solid track of the record. I think that would be the end of the video, guys.